guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to do a Japanese hair bun with curly wavy hair. Today I have wavy hair because this morning I curled it and it fell out because I didn't put hairspray in it, so I hope this turns out really well. So first of all, you want to tie your hair in a ponytail, as always. And I'm just going to do a really crappy job right now. Doesn't have to be neat, it can be messy, it depends on how you want it to look like. Okay, so as you can see, it's not that voluminous, although if you curl your hair more, if your hair is more curly, it'll be more voluminous. You wouldn't have to tease it, but if it's like this, you should tease it. But don't tease it a lot because your hair already has some volume. So yeah, something like that, and then you take the ends. And then you just move it around your head like that. And make sure you have the tip. And you need to secure it with bobby pins. And stick it in. Like that. It looks really weird right now, but we will fix it. So you need to take more bobby pins and fix it. And just pin it in. More like pinning it in than fixing it. And you see, what is this? You can use another bobby pin. So here's the front, and here's the back. If you can see, I used some colorful ones so that you guys can see where I put my bobby pins. So you don't have to use colorful ones. Some people prefer black ones or brown ones, whatever, to hide the thing. And something I like to do is, I like to use, like, I'm so cheesy, I like to use like a flower and just like pin it somewhere. Okay, oh, that looks really ugly right now. But yeah, you get the point. You can like put in like a little flower, little bow in place, and it looks really nice. But it's not working for me today, so yeah. Oh, I think there's a fly in here. So I hope you enjoyed it, and please rate, comment, subscribe. Bye.